Hello challengers! There are 7 things you can do to speak English fluently and confidently. Number 1. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Your goal is to deliver a message, not speak perfect English with the right grammar and vocabulary. Even native English speakers make mistakes. Number 2. Practice, practice, practice. Practice makes perfect. Constantly look for opportunities to test out your spoken English. etrain.delicatesand.com gives you the opportunity for free. There are great ways to practice speaking English and learn faster in a fun, safe environment. They are amazingly effective in a very short time. Number 3. Listen, listen, listen. The more you hear, the easier it will be for you to speak better English. You'll start speaking more fluently and confidently in conversations, learning how to give your opinions in English. We give you the challenging practice to listening, speaking, reading, and writing all in one practice test activity on etrain.delicatesand.com. Number 4. Celebrate success. Every time you talk to someone in English is an achievement. Every single interaction you have, no matter how small, will help you improve your skills over time. Be proud of your progress. These first 4 tips help provide the best way to start speaking English with ease. The following 3 steps will help take your English speaking skills to the next level. Number 5. Think in English. Go from speaking good English to great English by thinking in the language. You'll find it difficult at first, but after some time you'll learn how to switch between speaking English and your first language. Number 6. Talk to yourself. It will look funny, but by talking to yourself in English and recording yourself is an amazing method to speak fluently, and without hesitation, you'll learn to pronounce sentences, not separate words. Forget about making mistakes, it's natural. Number 7. Tongue twisters. This will help improve your diction and teach you how to speak quickly. Practice with tricky sayings like this. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper. The 33 thieves thought that they thrilled the throne throughout Thursday. Stay with us on etrain.delicatesand.com. See you there.